Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. Did you ever wonder what electricity tastes like? Well, I bought the ELECTROTASTE. It's a thing which translates electricity to taste. Let's see what's in the box. The main part, the thing you lick, a cable, and 2 sample power banks. Sunny solar, and one with single origin fusion. Let's start with one of the samples. I reckon this goes in here. And this plugs in like this. Sunny solar. Very nice. Let's try wall power. Okay, so it doesn't come with a USB charger. You gotta get this one separate. Let's plug it in and let's try. That's definitely not nice. To quickly round it off, I'm not sure if I would recommend this, but it's definitely interesting. If you want to try it yourself, please follow the link in the description. If you like this video, you want to see some more, do a thumbs up and consider subscribing. See you next time, guys.